everybody, and welcome back. I hope you're having nice, cool autumn days and you've gotten into autumn spirit. I certainly have the autumn spirit, and I thought I had finished decorating my house until I went to the florist yesterday and saw an arrangement and thought, I think I can do that. We're going to find out. It is an arrangement that requires very little. It is a pumpkin, and I went and found this beautifully imperfect pumpkin and went to the grocery and bought flowers. So we are going to make an arrangement for the dining room table using a pumpkin and flowers. And so let's get started. This could turn into a disaster, but I don't know. We're going to find out. Thinking about how I want to start this project, I decided that I want to cut a cap at the top of the pumpkin, and that's a given because we need an opening in which to put the flowers. But do we want to put the flowers directly into the pumpkin? And I don't think I'm going to go in that direction. I think I'm going to put a base inside the pumpkin so I can water the flowers. So I found this old vase, and I'm going to cut out an opening about the size of the vase. I'm going to trace around that, and if that's not quite large enough, I will make the opening a little bit larger as I need it. But we don't want to get it too large, because if you were to just take off the top of the pumpkin, then you're going to have to fill that entire pumpkin in order to cover the opening. So I'm going to start small and go from there, and we're going to, let me gather all my things we're going to need, and then we'll get started. That's really disgusting. Yes, it fits. Now we just take the seeds out of the pumpkin in order to put the flowers in. So let's fill the vase with flowers and start making our arrangement. That there are enough flowers in this arrangement, so I'm going to go outside and get some ivy that I have growing, and we're going to fill it with the ivy and maybe some Boston fern that I have and make it very full. So I got the ivy, I got the Boston fern, and I got some other greenery that I'm going to add to it, and hopefully it's going to be beautiful. We will see. think. It's just perfect for a centerpiece or a side table. It's natural looking and it just screams autumn.